Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 HUSQVARNA TC250 Heritage. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 HUSQVARNA TC250 Heritage runs well. It's been upgraded with a Pro Circuit exhaust. Powered by a 249cc single-cylinder engine, the TC250 puts impressive power through a 5-speed transmission. With a 1.9-gallon fuel capacity, the TC250 has a 35 to 45-mile range. It has a 37-inch seat height and a 219-pound wet weight. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 10/30 seconds, and the rear at 12/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the fork seals are leaking. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and paint blemishes on the left side engine components, dents on the exhaust pipe, scratches on the end of the lever, a tear in the seat material, scratches on the plastics. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.